This is number 8 from our proof packet. I went ahead and I put down our proof statement, and I have our givens here as well as the diagram. Now I see that these are overlapping triangles, JHS and JOP. So what I did is I separated them into two triangles to help us kind of mark this diagram accordingly. So I'm going to take my givens and mark them JH congruent to JO, and I'll mark them in both of these diagrams, and JP congruent to JS. So it's kind of hard to mark this whole JP congruent to JS here, but on my diagram that I drew, it's not so bad. So I've already got two sides. I would need a third side, perhaps OP to HS, or I would need an angle in between PJJO and HJJS. So either way, I'm going to need a diagram step, and this is going somewhere. Well, it looks to me that both of these triangles include this angle, angle J right here. PJO is really the same thing as angle SJH. So I know that that angle is obviously going to be congruent to itself if it's the same angle. So we could say if two triangles share an angle, then that angle is congruent to itself, and that is on our conjecture sheet. So I would write in this box, if two triangles share an angle, then that angle is congruent to itself. And that is a general property in a box, and out comes a specific statement that we could say angle PJO is congruent to angle SJH, which is really just angle J being congruent to angle J itself here. So now I have an SAS situation, so I can take my two sides and my angle and put them into a box that says SAS, and out would come the specific conclusion that I want to reach, which is that angle triangle JHS is congruent to triangle JOP. And you can go ahead and check the correspondence to make sure everything works, and I'm done.